Oh, the black black lights. I'm sure no, because she is she for again.
I thought I want to kill like
So the
I thought to bomb Ganesh. I want to kill like 3 mesh. I thought when my hour on gas.
No, so you can have a photo. Okay. Man, I put money myself, yeah, madam. I'm a me kid.
So we go to Bona.
Active now. Active. Active now, I know. Very sharp. Very look at him. How do you move?
loves, good morning and welcome to another interesting video. So guys, I just want to come on here and end the vlog I started yesterday. When I came back home from work, it was late. I couldn't vlog again. Everywhere was dark and my phone was down. I could have used my phone's torchlight, but it was down, so I couldn't make any vlog. I couldn't edit this vlog last night, so I'm ending it this morning and I'll be starting a new vlog. So guys, yesterday's vlog, the last peep will be when I was in the shop. Yeah, I also went to one market like that. It is an AK market day. This one is not close to us. It is a bit far from where I stay, so I went to that market to meet somebody and to also get some things. I couldn't vlog in that market because, as I said, my phone was down. Okay, so I got some things for myself, and I got this soap. This is Sanito. It is a medicated soap. Sometimes I just need to add medicated soap to my soap. Like after bathing a particular soap for some time, I will just include a medicated soap for some reasons. Then I got this nail polish. Is this nail acrylic dissolver, not polish. I got this acrylic dissolver because I wanted to do my nails for a long time now. I haven't painted my nails or anything due to I don't have this to, like, you know, make everything look good, and to also dissolve some of my nail polish. Like some of my nail polish that are so thick, so I do add a little bit of this into the nail polish to make it a little bit light. Okay, and I got my colorless nail polish. This is nail hardener, as they call it. Guys, I also thrifted. I bought some thrift clothes. Oh my gosh, I got some thrift clothes. I saw this lady that opened a bell, a clothing bell, and I got some clothes from her. Let me show you guys the dresses that I got. Oh my god, they are all in this bag. They are here, and there are 4 gowns in number. There are 4. So let me open this real quick and show you guys. I'm going to do a clothing haul, like a thrift haul, but that will be after washing those clothes, because I don't like wearing okay clothes when I have not washed them, because I had a use chemical in preserving these dresses, so I don't want anything that will irritate my skin, the skin that I'm managing. So guys, this is one of them. Is a gown. This is one of the gowns. You see, I'm just picturing how this is going to look on me, and it seems like I'm going to like shape this one. Though I've not tested it. When I test it, I will know if I'm going to shape it or not. So this is what it looks like. Let me bring this camera down a little. So this is what this one looks like. And I love this one. Like, this one is so cute. I'm going to remove these things. I'm just going to remove them because they are not needed here. And it has a leather sleeve. Look at the sleeve, and the leather is still good. It is not peeling, like, you know, some leather clothes that I got from Thrift used to peel, but this one is not peeling at all. So this is the back. It has a zip that runs down to the back, and this is the front. Let me show you all. This one is going to be snatched on me. So this is it. I love this one. I'm not going to do any kind of shaping or altering this one. This one is okay. It is okay the way it is. So this is another one. I got more of black. I don't know why, because the good ones are always in black. Like when I was searching, the ones that are in other colors aren't my size, and also I don't like the design. But the black ones are just so perfect. So this is the third one. This is the third one. This is what it looks like. This is the third one. I just love this white design on it. and the false pocket. There is no pocket here, so this is a false pocket. I don't know if I'll be removing this button. I think I'll be removing them, or I'll make them tighter because they are loose. I might not remove them. I will just sew them back and make them tight. I have my needle and white thread. And guys, this is the last but not the least. This is a mini gown. I think I'll be wearing this one with a leggings if it's not too long. If it's very short, I'll be wearing it with a leggings. But if the length is okay, then I'll wear it like that. This is the design. It has this lace design, the silver lace design, front and back neck. So it has a band here. This is a band that is going to be on my waist area. So this is how it looks like. This is the length. Oh god, I need to show you where it is reaching me. This is the length. So when I wear it, it might come up to this. After washing it, I will see. So guys, that is all for today's video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do where to subscribe, okay? Like this video. Also turn on your post notification bell, so when I post this thrift haul video, you're going to be the first to watch it, okay? Thank you so much for watching to this extent. I love you all. Your support and your engagement, I really appreciate them all.